por favor, muchas gracias, adiós.
Adiós. Lufthansa 21 Papa, identify reaching 3,000 feet, climb to flight level 140.
140,
Palma Control, BBJ, November 301 Sierra Romeo, crossing level 178 on Mars 3 Papa, information Delta.
November 301 Sierra Romeo, buenas, Palma Control standby, break, orange 99 kilo, turn left heading 060 degrees.
Turning left, heading 060 degrees, orange now, kilo.
And orange 99 kilo, maintain 5,000 feet.
5,000 feet, orange 99 kilo.
November 30 Sierra Romeo, buenas tardes, descend to flight level 100 and expect ILS to approach runway 24 left.
So level 100, expect ILS to the left, number 2 transfer.
Iberia Express 201, descienda a 5.000 pies.
Descendemos para 5.000 pies, Iberia Express 201.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike pesado, descienda a nivel de vuelo 100.
Nivel de vuelo 100, Bravo Mike.
Lufthansa 21 Papa, turn left direct to Papa Tango Charlie Protocol NDB.
Papa, could you please again?
Direct to Protocol NDB, Papa Tango Charlie.
Papa Tango Charlie,
Orange 99 kilo, descend to 4,000 feet.
Descending to 4,000 feet, orange 99 kilo.
Iberia Express 201, viene por su derecha rumbo 210 grados, descienda a 3.000 pies, autorizada el ILS Zulu de la 24 izquierda.
210, 3.000 pies, autorizado hacia ILS Zulu 24 izquierda y Express 201.
November 301 Sierra Romeo, descend to altitude 6,000 feet, clearance 1013.
So 6,000, 1013, number 321 Sierra.
Lufthansa 21 Papa, for further climb, monitor Unicorn 122 decimal, good fly, bye.
Thank you, keep Lufthansa 21 Papa.
Good day, Palma De Mallorca approach. This is Iberia 2013. It's my first flight. Should I be contacting you already?
Yes, please. Iberia 2013, you identified 310, continue via Godos 4 Papa, descend to flight level 130.
Continue on Godos 4 Papa, descend to, sorry, could you repeat the flight level?
Oh my god.
To flight level 130.
130.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, vire por su derecha rumbo 065.
Derecha 065, Iberia 2 Bravo Mike.
Palma, good day, that nose 5611, hit you in the descent.
Red nose 5611, buenas, Palma Control, identify flight level 180. Expect ILS to approach, runway 24 left and descend to flight level 80.
Flight level 80, expect ILS Zulu, runway 24 left, that nose 5611.
Swift 223, me pedía Barcelona directo a Rulos para 24 derecha.
Recibido, volamos directo a Rulo, Swift 223.
This is Iberia 2013. We are currently turning left on Rupit.
Madonna santa, ma perché? Perché?
Iberia 2013, continue the procedure goes for Papa.
Continue Gotex for Papa. I am already in Gotex for Papa, no?
Yeah. You don't need to report every single waypoint, sorry.
Sorry, my bad. I just want to make sure it's okay.
No problem. Orange November, correction. Orange 99 kilo, turn left heading 360 degrees and descend to 3,000 feet.
Turn left 360 degrees, descend 3,000 feet. Orange 99 kilo.
Establecido Sigeles Zulu 24 izquierda de aire Express 201.
Iberia Express 201, viento 230 grados a menudos, pista 24 izquierda autorizada para aterrizar.
Autorizado a aterrizar 24 izquierda de aire Express 201, gracias.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, desciende a 6.000 pies, el QNH es 1013.
6.000 pies con 1.013, Iberia 2 Bravo Mike.
November 30 Sierra Romeo, turn left, heading, correction, right heading 270 degrees.
Right 270, Clear
Suite 223, ya puede llamar a Barcelona en 131,15 si es que sigue conectado, creo que sí, correcto, llame a Barcelona, hasta luego.
31.5, muchas gracias por el control, Andrea, hasta luego, Swift 223.
Orange 99 kilo, turn left heading 280 degrees, clear to ILS approach, runway 24 left.
Turn left, heading 280, for the approach on 24 left, Orange 99 kilo.
LEPA approach, this is Iberia 2013. A quick question, would you happen to know if we will get 24 left or 24 right?
Iberia 2013, espera ILS approach, runway 24 left.
Expect approach 24 left. Thank you.
Orange 99 kilo, maintain 180 knots until mile 8. 180 knots until mile 8, please.
Maintaining 180 knots until mile 8, Orange 99 kilo.
November 301 Sierra Romeo, reduce speed to 220 knots.
Reduce 220, Clear Sierra.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, descienda a 5.000 pies.
5.000 pies, 2 Bravo Mike.
Orange 99 kilo, the localizer is at your right, confirm you are established. Turn right 280 degrees until established and descend to 2,500 feet.
Descending to 500 feet and turning right 280 until on the localizer, Orange 99 kilo.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, mantenga 200 nudos.
nudo, Iberia 2 Bravo Mike.
November 301 Sierra, reduce speed to 200 knots for sequence.
Reduce speed 200 knots, Clear Sierra.
Iberia 2013, descend to flight level 80.
Sorry, could you repeat the flight level for Iberia 2013?
Iberia 2013, descend to flight 080.
080.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, por su derecha, directo a Obumu.
Obumu, Iberia do Bravo Mike.
Palma approach, this is Iberia 013. Could you confirm, please, transition altitude is flight level 060?
No, mi hai rotto il cazzo.
Yeah, but the transition flight level is 75. Transition flight level at 75.
75, acknowledged.
Hasta Boeing 4 X-Ray Yankee, November, una lista salida.
El Boeing 4 X-Ray Yankee, muy buenas tardes. Palma Control, stand-by, ahora llamo.
2-4 izquierda de Arabia, Sierra 1, 201.
Stand-by. Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, descienda a 3000 pies.
3000 pies, Iberia do Bravo Mike.
November 301 Sierra, reduce speed to 180 knots.
Reduce 180, 301.
Red nose 5611, descend to 6000 feet, QNH 1013, and turn right heading to 10 degrees.
6,000 feet, 1013, right heading 210 degrees, red nose 5611.
Iberia 3201, llame a Badura 121,705, hasta luego.
121-705, muchas gracias por el control, Iberia 201.
Boeing 4 X-Ray Yankee, viento 230 grados a 9 nudos, intersección November 1, pista 24 derecha, autorizada espera.
Espera, 2 derecha, Boeing 4 X-Ray Yankee.
Orange 999 kilo, wind 230 degrees and 99 knots, runway 24 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 24 left, Orange 99 kilo.
November 301 Sierra Romeo, fly direct to Obumu and descend to 4,000 feet.
Direct Obumu, descend 4000, 301 Sierra.
Iberia 2013, turn right heading 090 degrees and 090 degrees.
Approach, this is Iberia 2013. We have our flight, we have the autopilot doing the flight plan and we are currently turning right. Is that good enough for you?
No, vediamo, questo ha rotto il cazzo.
Say again?
We have the flight plan on and do we have to deactivate it for the approach?
No, ma tu devi fare...
Yes, you just select the heading. Select the heading and fly follow the heading. Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, mantenga 230 nudos hasta la milla 8 y continúa aproximaciones número 2.
200 nudos hasta las 8, Iberia do Bravo Mike.
Red nose 5611, fly direct to Obumu, descend to 4,000 feet, QNH is 1013.
Direct to Obumu, descend to 4,000 feet, red nose 5611.
Palma November 301 Sierra Romeo, confirm we are clear for the approach at Obumu.
Number 301 Sierra Romeo, affirm, clear to ILS to approach, runway 24 left. You're number 3 and maintain 180 knots until mile 8.
Roger, clear for LS Zulu to left at Obumu and 180 until mile 8 at 301 Sierra.
Iberia 2013, descend to altitude 5,000 feet. QNH is 1013.
Descend 5,000 feet, Iberia 2013. Approach, this is Iberia 2013, can we get heading change?
Basta!
Iberia 2013, for the moment maintain 090.
Maintain 090, Iberia 2013.
Boeing 4 X-Ray Yankee, identificado alcanzando 4000 pies, suba a nivel de vuelo 120.
190, Boeing 4 X-Ray Yankee.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, espere autorización tardía, tránsito en pista.
Copiado, 2 Bravo Mike.
Vueling 4 es Rey Yankee, vuelo directo a Drago.
Directo a Drago, Boeing 4 X-Ray Yankee.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, viento 230 grados a 9 nudos, pista 24 izquierda, autorizado para aterrizar.
Autorizado a aterrizar 24 izquierda, Iberia 2 Bravo Mike.
Orange 909 kilo, remain vacated.
Orange 999 kilo, welcome to Palma. Contact ground 121.705. Good day.
121.705. Thank you very much. Orange 909 kilo.
Right now, 5611. After room, clear to ILS to approach, runway 24 left.
ILS 24 left,
this is Iberia 2013, can we get heading change?
Ma basta!
Block, Iberia 2013, turn right heading 250 degrees.
Turn right heading 250 degrees.
And right now, 5611, please repeat the route back.
Obuma, clear to ILS 24 left.
November 301 Sierra, traffic in runway, spell late clearance.
Roger,
1000.
Vueling 4 es Rey Yankee, suban y de vuelo 240.
240, Boeing 4 X-Ray Yankee.
Says each continuous, full brake on, landing gear down, flat, 30,
Iberia da por Sierra 1, Iberia 2 Bravo Mike.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, bienvenido a Palma, standby. November 301 Sierra Romeo, clear runway 24 left, clear to land, and wind is 230 degrees 9 knots.
Triple left, clear land, 300.
Iberia 2 Bravo Mike, bienvenido a Palma, llame 121,705, rodadura, hasta luego.
Rodadura 121705, buenas tardes, chao.
Iberia 2013 confirm, flying to heading 250 degrees.
A-firm, turning right, heading 250 degrees.
Thank you. And right now, 5611, descend to 2,500 feet, clear to ILS, approach runway 24 left.
400.
2500 feet, clear to ILS 24 left again.
300. Approaching minimums.
Approach confirmed. We are getting ILS for 24 left, Iberia 2013.
100.
Half firm. ILS approach runway 24 left.
50. 30. 20. 10.
Reverse.
Established ILS 24 left, head now 5611.
Right now, 5611, continue approach, runway in use. There is a traffic in the runway. Yard number 1.
Roger number 1, head now 5611.
Iberia 2013, turn right heading 260 degrees.
Sorry, repeat for Iberia 2013.
Right heading 260 degrees.
Right heading 260 degrees. Approach, this is Iberia 213, visibility is very low.
Ma che cazzo dici?
Roger.
Palma November 30 Sierra Romeo Sierra 2 holding short of south.
That's the station, please, call sign.
November 301 Sierra Romeo Sierra 2 holding short of south.
November 301 Sierra, welcome to Palma. Contact to ground in 121.705.
Ground 121.705, 301 Sierra Romeo, good job.
Horse 9 kilo at the stand, thanks for service.
Palma ground, good day, November 301 Sierra Romeo Sierra 2 holding short of south, request general aviation apron.
November 301 Sierra Romeo, good evening, taxi via South Quebec, stand as your choice.
South Quebec, stand of choice, 301 Sierra Romeo, gracias.
Palma ground, buenas noches, Condor 413, stand 66, information Delta with PDC request startup and pushback.
Condor 413, good evening, position status approaching to the north, Genesis 1013.
Condor 413, push and start approved facing to the north onto Tango 1, I assume.
Iberia 2, Bravo Mike en el 118, como estar pagado y caso puesto. Muchas gracias por su control, que tenga buena tarde, chao.
Chao, igualmente.
Buenas tardes, Palma Ground, Rednose 5611, Shadow 2, with you.
Rednose